you are looking to buy a motorcycle, here are a few tips, and this is a few things you need to look at. So just approaching the bike, you can check the forks, make sure these are straight, make sure the fork seal is not cracked or leaking. You can also check the brake lines for the front and the back side, make sure there's no leaks, oil leaks, any gas leaks, or any brake line leaks in the bike. Check the body of the bike on this side and the other side, any scratches, cracks, repairs. You want to ask them if the bike's been dropped or not. If the bike's been down, you need to ask, like, have they done the maintenance? Have they take the spark plugs out, clean the plugs, everything? Because when the bike drops, there's usually oil on the plugs. So there's a whole like maintenance routine that you have to do once the bike drops. If you're looking for a perfect clean bike, you want to check again. Check this side, check the other side, check the back. You also want to check the engine, get them to start it up. Is it running okay? Is there any ticks, any irregular noises you're looking for? Also, before you get them to start it, put the bike straight and check the oil. The oil level should be in the middle and it should not be black. If it's black, you know that they're not maintaining the bike how it should be maintained. You can also check the brake fluid in the back and the brake fluid reservoir in the front. If these are black, that's another good indication that they're not taking care of the bike. And you can also check the frame while you're here. You check the frame, make sure there's no cracks, make sure there's no repairs on it. This is a factory weld, and if it's not a factory weld, you can most likely tell. You want to see the frame and match the VIN number with the number on your ownership. Walk around the bike, you can check the rear lights, check the side markers, check the front lights, turn it on. While it's on, you can also check the clutch. It's not that expensive to fix, but when you buy a bike, you do want a proper operating clutch. So how would you check that? Turn the bike on, let it go slowly and see how it's going. If they let you ride it, you can feel like if the clutch is burnt or not, like that as well. You come down here and check the chain. You want the chain to be lubed. You would also check the pegs and the pedals and make sure there's no scrapes or scratches or any bent pegs. You just walk around the bike and see how you're feeling. Check the headlights as well. Check the front tire. Check the rear tire. The rear tire is a little more important because it's a more expensive repair. So if you were to switch the tires, it's more expensive in the back. Also, check the gears. If you can have them or you ride the bike and switch to the gears, usually on a higher powered motorcycle. Check the gears as well. It's usually gear 1 and 2 if there is an issue. And if they boost the bike to start it, it probably needs a battery. Okay, that's it for the video. I hope it helps and good luck.